Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting recovery immediately. Sign in to the exact Google account that held the images. Once signed in, open the Google Photos app or Photos. Google, calm and go straight to trash. Make sure to sort by date if you have many items. Deleted photos remain up to 60 days. If you find the photo, select it and tap Restore so it returns to your library and original albums. If not in trash, don't panic. Next, we expand the search and check backups. Once trash is clear, search backups and sync devices. You should open Settings, tap Backup and Sync, and confirm which device folders and cloud backups are active. Make sure the date range covers when the photo existed. Also inspect partner sharing and any shared libraries where someone else might have saved the image. Use the search bar with location names, people, or object tags and enter a date range to surface older copies. If you spot a copy, restore or download it to your device. Now finalize recovery. Restore found photos or select them and download the largest available size. If nothing appears, create a Google Takeout export to check archived data and inspect your device's local DSIM or backup folders. Make sure to refresh the app, sign out and back in, and clear cache, which often fixes display issues. If files are still missing, try another synced device, check any external backups, and as a last step, contact Google support with exact time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.